बंद करो. Hello students, how are you all? You all will be fit and fine at your home. Today I am going to start chapter 15, Light. You might have seen a beam of sunlight when it enters a room through a narrow opening or hole. You may have seen a beam of searchlight from a lighthouse or from an airport tower. This diagram is showing lighthouse. It is a beam of light. This activity shows light travel in a straight line. In this diagram, he can see candle flame because this pipe is a straight, because light travel in a straight line. This is a bend, so he cannot see the candle flame. Any polished or a shiny surface act as a mirror. A mirror changes the direction of light that falls on it. This change of direction via mirror is called reflection of light. This diagram is showing reflection of light from a mirror. This light falls on this mirror, this reflect and back. This is called the reflection of light. This diagram is showing reflection of object in water. This diagram showing reflection of the lion in water. In the story of the lion and the rabbit from the Panchatantra, in which the rabbit fooled the lion by showing him this reflection in water. This diagram is showing image of a candle in a plane mirror. What is a plane mirror? Plane mirror is that mirror in which we see our image in our home. In this mirror, the image formed by a candle is a upright. Upright means the flame appear on the top of candle as in the object. This image is called erect image. So, plane mirror forms an erect image. It forms the image behind the mirror, and the size of the image is same as that of object. It forms the image at the same distance behind the mirror as the object stand in front of it. It forms a virtual image. If we keep any screen behind the mirror and front the mirror, we cannot find the image of candle both side. So this image is called virtual image. So we will define the virtual image like this manner. The image formed by a plane mirror could not be obtained on a screen. Such an image is called virtual image. The characters of the image formed by a plane mirror are: it forms an erect image, it forms a virtual image, it forms the image behind the mirror. The size of the image is same as that of the object. It forms the image at the same distance behind the mirror as the object stand in front of it. In a plane mirror, an image for the left side of the object is seen on the right side in the image, and the right side of the object appear to be on the left side in the image. This diagram is showing left hand appears on the right side in the image. This is the lateral inversion. In an ambulance, alphabet written by this manner. The word ambulance is written by the word. Can you now understand why the word ambulance is written as this manner? When the driver of a vehicle ahead of an ambulance look in his rear view mirror, he can read ambulance written on it and give way to it. These letters A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V and W appears exactly like the letter itself in a plane mirror. Other type is mirror is spherical mirror. Spherical mirror are two types, convex mirror and concave mirror. What is a spherical mirror? The mirror which are the part of the hollow sphere is called a spherical mirror. This diagram is showing a spherical mirror is a part of a sphere. When we cut a wall with a knife, this concave surface, the inner surface of the cut wall is called concave and the outer surface is called convex. What is convex mirror? The spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is bulging out and the inner surface is polished is called convex mirror. What is concave mirror? The spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inside at the middle and the outer surface is polished is called concave mirror. This diagram is showing concave mirror whose reflecting surface is curved. This diagram is showing convex mirror. Its reflecting surface is bulging out. This diagram is showing a concave mirror forms a real image of the sun. This image obtained from a screen. So this image is called the real image. In this image, it's a concave mirror. It's a image of the sun. This found on the screen. This screen is a white paper. White paper act as a screen. What is a real image? An image formed on a screen is called a real image. But in a plane mirror, it is not found on a screen, so it is called a virtual image.